Multiple choice question practice on microcomputer from CS certificate level syllabus information technology. MCQ 161. Which operating system is most commonly used in microcomputers? Option A, ZOS. Option B, VMS. Option C, Unix. Option D, Windows. Which one is correct answer? Which operating system is most commonly used in microcomputers? Option A, ZOS, VMS, Unix, Windows. Which one is correct? The correct one is Windows. Question 162. What is the role of a microprocessor in a microcomputer? Option A, signal transmission. Option B, processing instructions. Option C, data storage. Option D, displaying graphics. What is the role of a microprocessor in a microcomputer? Option A, signal transmission. Option B, processing instructions. Option C, data storage. Option D, displaying graphics. Which one is correct answer? The correct option is B. Processing instructions is the role of a microprocessor in a microcomputer. Next question. What is the most important function of an operating system in a microcomputer? Option A, running application programs. Option B, powering the CPU. Option C, managing network traffic. Option D, controlling printer speed. What is the most important function of an operating system in a microcomputer? Option A, running application programs. Option B, powering the CPU. Option C, managing network traffic. Option D, controlling printer speed. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is A. Running application programs is the most important function of an operating system in a microcomputer. Next question. What does the acronym BIOS stand for? Option A, Binary Integrated Operating System. Option B, Basic Input-Output System. Option C, Basic Internal Operating Software. Option D, BIT Instruction Output System. Which option is correct? BIOS stands for. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following processors is most commonly used in modern microcomputers? Option A, AMD Ryzen. Option B, Intel 4004. Option C, Zilog Z80. Option D, Motorola 68000. Which one is correct answer? The processor which is commonly used in modern microcomputers. The correct answer is A. AMD Ryzen is a type of processor and it is most commonly used in modern microcomputers. Next question. Which of these is an example of an embedded microcomputer system? Option A, smartwatch. Option B, gaming console. Option C, car's engine control unit, ECU. Option D, all of the above. The question is, which one is an example of an embedded microcomputer system? Smartwatch, gaming console, car's engine control unit, ECU, or all of the above? The correct answer is D, all of the above. That means smartwatch, gaming console, car's engine control unit, these all are example of an embedded microcomputer system. Next question 167. What is the function of the cache memory in microcomputer? Option A, store large files. Option B, manage network request. Option C, control display resolution. Option D, hold frequently access data for quick retrieval. We have to find out the function which is correct for cache memory in microcomputer. Correct option is D. Hold frequently access data for quick retrieval is the function of the cache memory in microcomputers. Next question. Which of the following best describes the architecture of microcomputer? Which of the following best describes the architecture of a microcomputer? Option A, RISC, reduced instruction set computing. Option B, CISC, complex instruction set computing. Option C, both RISC and CISC. Option D, none of the above. Which one is correct option? We have to find out the option which describes best the architecture of a microcomputer. The correct answer is C. Both RISC and CISC describes the architecture of a microcomputer best. Next question. What type of memory is volatile and loses data when power is turned off? Option A, ROM, read-only memory. Option B, RAM, random access memory. Option C, hard disk. Option D, SSD. Which one is correct answer? We have to find out the volatile memory, which loses data when power is turned off among the options. The correct option is RAM. Random access memory is the volatile memory, which loses data when power is turned off. The last question of this episode. What is the primary component that makes a microcomputer different from a mini computer? Option A, microprocessor. Option B, hard disk. Option C, operating system. And option D, keyboard. Which one makes difference between microcomputer and mini computer? Microprocessor, hard disk, operating system, or keyboard? Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Microprocessor is the primary component that makes a microcomputer different from a mini computer. And that's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.